I think it's very important because what I think in the first 20 years of the IT industry we've not done is, as we have helped global companies gain competitiveness by helping them leverage technology to be more competitive, that experience I think we're slowly translating onto the domestic market. Again, there are standing examples even today of how we have really created technology driven solutions which are solving a live citizen or a social problem even today. Just to quote a very specific example, I think the bold initiative of giving a unique identity to every Indian, the UID, I think is a project which several developed countries are watching both with awe as well as intrigue, because I think many of them even haven't attempted such a large initiative. Again, as a part of my role in Mindtree, we were closely engaged in building that solution, and today that's the largest database across the world. And to that extent, it is scalable. Already the substantive number of people who have been enrolled on it, and it is getting leveraged to deliver social benefits to the right people. So it's meeting the social objectives which is set on that. Or if you take a case like income tax, I think the level of automation which has been done in the Indian income tax sort of function is probably best in the world. Or if you take passports, where on a per passport basis, TCS runs the whole operation, which is highly automated. So I think there are enough examples of Indian companies leveraging their global expertise and experience to bring in technology solutions which are relevant in the Indian context, and consequently you are already seeing the benefit and productivity which technology can bring in these areas. What certainly at NASSCOM is one of the key imperatives, and an area where we are certainly putting in a lot of effort and bringing in the right expertise into it, is to really say how can NASSCOM play a role in trying to transform one or two areas where clearly the country needs help. You can take an area like the judicial system. Today I think one of the key things about our judicial system is the number of cases which are on a backlog mode. But the fact is, if you bring in the expertise which the Indian IT industry has on business process management, bring in technology to automate and ensure they run efficiently, clearly I think we can make a very significant impact on that. Equally true of healthcare or education. So clearly in the next phase at NASSCOM, we are committed to ensure that we leverage the global expertise we have obtained to bear on social or citizen related issues, and to significantly transform that so that India will not necessarily be a follower, but it will be a thought leader in building those technology solutions and implementing it in a productive and scalable manner.